Do what? Oh, my chair.
That hurt.
Gotta be 150.
Well, guess I'm installing it myself. What's cracking, y'all? Welcome to Love Celie. I am Celie, of course, and we have
Fasten, faded, hairstylist, barber, entrepreneur, CEO, motorcycle rider. I do a lot of shit, aka.
yes. And today we're going to be installing his hair from Celie Hair, and hope you guys like this video.
Yeah. So this is what, Celie hair. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's came in some real lit ass packaging. This is from Celie Hair. The packaging is real legit, real dope. You can follow him on Instagram at Celie Hair. And yeah, so we're gonna get into this wig install. I really hope I do a good job because I don't really be installing wigs like that. So who knows? Let's see.
So you guys already seen in the intro. So they sent me a cute little purple box, Celie Hair, and they also sent me a cute little bag, which is really cute. And inside the bag we have a wig cap, a pamphlet about their hair company and how to take care of the hair, and also a cute little bonnet and some lashes. These are really cute. Look how cute that is. So cute. I'm gonna have to try these out. And then inside of the box we have the wig, and it's 16 inches, 13 by 4 lace front. That is so cool. It has cute little inside. Just gotta take these little things off. And look at that. Oh, look at them girls. What it looks like inside. So of course, I'm gonna tint it, and then my boyfriend's gonna install it. Oh.
So yeah, she want me to install her wig. So we're gonna do a quick install today.
That's not right.
And y'all, it is plush. Gonna roll that up. Alright y'all, that concludes my YouTube install.
No, you're not right.
Now get out of here.
So I'm gonna have my boyfriend install this 16 inch 13 by 4 lace front wig. We're not shaving heads here. And he's also a barber and he went to school for cosmetology, and he did my wig once before, so this is not his first time doing the wig.
I got just what you need. I got something right now.
Oh my goodness.
This will give me my tips. Give me that! Come on! Holding, oh shit. Holding spray.
I'm gonna hold and spray you. So before we begin, I always want to cut the back lace, because I always forget to cut the back lace, and it just lace in the back.
Just go, Pom. This right here turn your edges into a ghost. You don't take that thing off, right? Shit! Shit! Damn it! Jackie, Lord! Oh! Oh no! Oh no, Jesus, no! Oh no, Jesus! Oh no! Oh no, going wrong! Boyfriend does my hair going wrong these days. Oh Lord, Jesus! Oh shit! The fuck? What the fuck sent in the balloon? What the fuck? We can do this. Hold on, mamas. Hold on. I got you, mamas. Don't worry. Don't you worry.
We're gonna try to salvage this. This is the finishing touch. He did an amazing job. Of course, I just curled it, but he installed it. You did a great job.
She curled it. I just put it on. I put it on. I don't really do hair like that. I cut hair. I'm a barber, you know. I don't really be into the cosmetology stuff like that. Like that's not really what I even try to do. I just think cosmetology can pay more depending on how you run it. You know what I'm saying? Depending on how you run it. So like I just cut hair and shit like that. But yeah, y'all can follow me on Instagram at fasten faded. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, fasten faded. And yeah, you know, it's been very busy. If y'all want y'all haircut, DM me and we'll go from there. We'll set it up from there. I'll pull up to people, y'all can come to me, you know, shit like that. I work at the Ritz-Carlton and I work hella events. I don't even want to get the name dropping at this point. But yeah, today was so fucking busy. I've been cutting since like 10 in the morning. I don't know if I look tired, but damn. Anyways, so y'all, I hope y'all really, you know, like this intro, I guess.
Yeah.
Anyways, we ain't gonna talk about it. But anyways, what were you saying? You say
I was saying that we had to do a quick install with this wig, but it's a really good wig. This hair is amazing and it's really nice and soft and very easy to curl.
Yeah, high key. Like the hair is definitely manageable. It's a good little wig. You know, it did its thing. It's like a full. I think it's a full lace.
Yes.
Yeah, that shit cracking.
It's a 13x4.
That shit was cracking. Okay. Yo, I'm sleepy.
But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much for
watching.
watching.
And the homies ain't trying to party tonight. I'm like, what?
Oh my goodness. But thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like and subscribe to more of my videos. And also subscribe to his channel for
some outside shit. You know, if y'all want to see LA on some lit shit outside, subscribe. Y'all know what it is. Man, rain, no.
I want the food, Papa.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys subscribe. Bye.